ASTM D97. Pour point. Manual procedure. The sample is homogenized by manual shaking and poured in a test jar until the mark. The thermometer bulb of the liquid in glass thermometer should be immersed in the sample, so the beginning of the capillary is 3 mm below the surface of the specimen. The test jar is placed in the cooling bath at the 0 degrees C bath position. At each test temperature that is a multiple of 3 degrees C below the starting temperature, the specimen is visually checked by removing the test jar from the jacket. The jar is tilted just enough to ascertain whether there is a movement of the specimen in the test jar. If movement of specimen in the test jar is noted, then replace the test jar immediately in the jacket and repeat a test for flow at the next temperature, 3 degrees C lower. Typically, the complete operation of removal, wiping and replacement shall require not more than 3 seconds. If the specimen has not ceased to flow when its temperature has reached 27 degrees C, transfer the test jar to a jacket in a cooling bath maintained at 0 degrees C plus or minus 1.5 degrees C. As the specimen continues to get colder, the test jar is transferred to a jacket in the next lower temperature cooling bath. If the specimen in the jar does not show movement when tilted, the jar is held in a horizontal position for 5 seconds, measured by an accurate timing device, and observe the specimen carefully. If the specimen shows any signs of movement before 5 seconds has passed, the test jar is replaced immediately in the jacket and repeat a test for flow at the next temperature, 3 degrees C lower. Continue in this manner until a point is reached at which the specimen shows no movement when the test jar is held in a horizontal position for 5 seconds. The observed reading is recorded from the test thermometer. The result is reported adding 3 degrees C to the temperature recorded as the pour point, when the product was no longer flowing. The pour point result is actually the temperature at which the specimen was last seen to be flowing, not the temperature recorded when it was finally solid.